today I'll show you how to send automated email reminders in Acuity scheduling. This is a powerful way to keep your clients informed and reduce no-shows by sending timely reminders about their appointments. Let's dive in and make sure your scheduling is as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to log in to your Acuity scheduling account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu, which is your control center for managing all client communications. From here, navigate to the section labeled Client Emails. This is where you'll handle all the automated messages that go out to your clients. Once you've arrived at the Client Email section, you'll see an option labeled Reminders. Click on this and you'll be directed to a page where you can edit the reminder templates. This is the fun part where you get to customize how and when your reminders are sent out. You can set the time frame for these reminders to suit your needs. Common choices are 24 or 48 hours before an appointment. This timing can be critical. Too early and clients might forget, too late and they might have already made other plans. Finding that sweet spot is key. After setting the time frame, it's time to get creative with the message itself. You have the opportunity to personalize these reminders, making them more engaging and relevant to your clients. Think of adding a friendly greeting or perhaps reminding them of any important details they need to bring or prepare for their appointment. Remember, a personal touch can go a long way in making clients feel valued and connected to your service. Acuity allows you to send up to 3 different reminders per appointment. This can be particularly useful if you have clients who need multiple nudges or if you want to send different messages at different times. For instance, you could send an initial reminder 48 hours before, a second one 24 hours prior, and a final nudge just a few hours before their appointment. This layered approach ensures maximum recall and preparation on the client's part. Moreover, you can choose who receives these reminders. You have the flexibility to send them solely to clients, or you can opt to send them to both clients and admins. This dual notification system is particularly beneficial if you want to keep your team informed about upcoming appointments alongside your clients. It helps streamline communication and minimizes the risk of any scheduling mishaps. Once you've tailored the reminder templates to your liking, make sure to save all changes. It's always a good idea to double check everything to ensure that the messages convey exactly what you want them to. After saving, your automated email reminders are ready to go. And there you have it. By setting up automated email reminders in Acuity scheduling, you'll not only enhance your client's experience but also improve the efficiency of your scheduling process. With this setup, you can sit back and relax, knowing that your clients are well informed and your appointments are running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.